What's going on, guys? It is Inkbite Gaming here, bringing you back to another Heartgold nuzlock. In the last episode, we took down Sprout Tower. Urza and Natsu were big helps, but we're gonna get a quick team recap. I was trying to get Conquer up to level 13. He learns his first electric type move, but training him is god-awful with quick attack. But we have Conquer, the calm-natured Pachirisu, the Pachirisu, with Runaway, with Quick Attack, Bide, Growl, and Charm. So hopefully, by the time we get to Faulkner, we will have an electric-type move. Hopefully. We have Sergeant Sting, yes sir, sassy-natured Beedrill, with Swarm with Fury Attack. You can see that I haven't leveled up anybody. After this, the gym battle and the getting the egg, that's what on this episode, and we will be training off screen to get these up to adequate levels in our next track into the next town. Sergeant Sting has fear. I've already said. Natsu, the modest-natured Charmeleon, with Blaze, with Ember, Growl, Scratch, and Smoke Screen. And we have Urza, the lax-natured Talo, with Guts, with Peck, Quick Attack, Focus Energy, and Growl. And then we have the Hydro Shock, Rash Nature, Marsh Stomp here, with Torrent, Water Gun, Mud Slap, Growl, and Tackle. And we have Elvis himself, the lonely-natured Slacking, holding that King's Rock. He will forever hold that King's Rock. With Oblivious, with Tackle, Yawn, Hidden Power, and Curse. Okay. The moment of truth. The moment of truth. We are going to go into the gym now. No more being afraid and whatnot. We are to get in here and take on this gym. Hopefully to not be destroyed. I can't believe how ridiculous high this is. But from up here, you can tell what it feels like to be a bird Pokemon. Let me see if you're good enough to face a Faulkner. Birdkeeper Abe has a Sparrow, level 9. Good thing we're a little bit over leveled. Again, I'm hoping to get to level 13 by the time I get to Faulkner, because Conquer is kind of my ace in taking down Faulkner. Oh, we miss. This Quick Attack should do him in. There we go. That's not a lot of experience, my dude. Come on. You can do better than that. Give me way more experience than that. You know, I know that we can, like, walk around, but I'm gonna face everybody. Ho ho ho! You some kind of big shot? We'll see. What happens if you get pushed around up here? Think you'll stagger and fall? People here are training night and day to become bird Pokemon masters. Bring it on! Yeah, this is the most dangerous, well, not the most dangerous, but in this generation, the most dangerous gym. You're literally up like a story high. Okay, we're gonna use Quick Attack. That's all we can do is just Quick Attack. And hope for the best. Oh no, not the Sand Attack. Not the Sand Attack. No. No, don't do it. Okay, so we still land it. Alright. We just need a crit in. No. You're gonna miss your moves now. No, you don't miss. Pachirisu's like, no, I'm blind, but now you'll definitely be blind. Or Pachirisu can see through everything. Oh, nope, never mind. Can't see through everything. So, accuracy is like majorly down, so we'll be lucky enough if we land. Oh, I was gonna say, luckily enough, if we land one. Alright. It's another Pidgey. Let's swap out so we can get our accuracy back up. Let's just get Elvis out here. Elvis will get some EXP from swapping out. Okay, so now we'll bring back out Conquer. We will have to... Well, we're definitely not going to get enough EXP from this. Aw, come on. Not doing this. I'm not going to... Yeah, come on, attack me. Don't use sand attack like a little baby. Okay, well, Conquer's not going to hit level 13 in this battle. No. Well, Elvis got to level 7. I'm definitely going to go back and well, I could have just went on the outside. I'm going to go back and heal. I'm going to go back and heal. And get back there, and we were going to take on Faulkner and hopefully not lose. Alright, alright. We're up here. Let's just take the outside route. Alright, so we are going to save, just in case things go down and whatnot. I have a moment right here. Okay, come on, Faulkner. I am Faulkner, the Violet City Pokemon Gym Leader. People say you can clip flying type Pokemon with a jolt of electricity. I wouldn't allow such insult to my bird Pokemon. I'll show you the real power of the magnificent bird Pokemon. Wasn't it an older generation, like Gen 2, where he was like, this is my father's bird Pokemon? Okay, so level 9, which is not bad. Like, I did plan to be a little bit over leveled. As long as you don't sand attack me, I will be fine. And I don't think we're gonna get a whole level out of, the rest of the level out of this. It'd be awesome if I did. Oh no. Sand attacking. No. Of course you would miss. You can't be missing like this. Pachirisu cannot. I was gonna say, please end this Pidgey's life. It was almost enough. But I'm gonna have to swap out. Who can I bring in? Bring in Natsu. Alright, there was a bug on the table. I was trying to get rid of it as I spilled most of my cup of apple juice that I had. Alright, hold on. I just need to clean this up. There we go. Alright. Level 13. I feel like this is an illegal Pidgeot. A little bit of an illegal one, wasn't it? Wasn't that what they used to say? That this was an illegal Pidgeot? Now, you use Gus. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine and dandy. Natsu, end this guy's life. He missed. He dipped. He dodged. Alright, and Pidgeotto is dead, and Faulkner is dealt with. And we're level 13. Awesome. We're gonna get on. I was gonna say, are we gonna get a whole nother level out of that? I understand. Bow wow. Bow wow. Bow down gracefully. For pity's sake. My dad's cherished Pokemon. That's where bird Pokemon. There we go. That's what I meant. But a defeat is a defeat. All right. Take this official Gym League badge. It is the Zephyr badge. Thank you. Now, is it level 20 I can level my Pokemon up to? With that, you can include traded Pokemon up to level 20 will obey you with no questions. I can use Rock Smash, which I ended up getting off screen by accident. What is this, Gust? No, it's Roost. Wasn't it like Mud Slap or something in Gold and Silver? Alright. Alright, we are done here. Professor, hello, Ace. I've discovered something. The details are, well, I can't really say anything. But we want you to carry the egg. My assistant, Pokemon, blah, blah, blah. Okay, well, I will go do that because that will be the token for the next, Pokemon. Mm-hmm. Alright, let's scoop up this egg so we can go get a random encounter on, I would say, the next route. Okay. Yep. You give us the egg? Yes. Oh, we need room in our party to be able to have the egg. Come on. There. Okay, we're gonna have to drop somebody off. We'll drop off Pachirisu for now. Alright, let's get this egg so we can get our random encounter and we can end the episode. Okay. No, stop looking at the food. Yes, I will take the egg. Thank you. Yep, alright. Bye. Oh, I forgot there was stuff like this. Me, oh my! The egg must be... Oh, I see. So it was handed from Mr. Pokemon to Professor Elm, then from Professor Elm to you. Now I get it. That egg is truly an important egg. Please do take care of it for me. Is that understood? I am counting on you. I was gonna say, hopefully the way she was walking was the way out of town and not like do a thing of trees. Alright, so we're gonna box this egg because you can't release an egg. Put Pachirisu back on the team. Alright, on the next route, I don't want Beedrill on the lead, because then I can potentially lose Pokemon. Let's put Elvis in the front. I'm gonna do training off screen anyways, so might as well just lead with him. He has Yawn as well. Well, I mean, we're gonna catch the Pokemon regardless. Can I go? Yeah, let me go. I don't need Miracle Seed. No. Should we go in this patch of grass or should we go down farther? Let's go here. Survey says... Ooh, that is not bad of a Pokemon to have. That is not bad of a Pokemon to have. What ball do I want to push you in, though? try and catch you in a no. Do I want to catch you in a Premier Ball? You know, let's get you in a level ball. Please catch it. Nope. Almost had it. Sand attack. You know what? We are going to put you under. I am most definitely going to put you under just so... Yeah, we're going to use the level ball to catch this thing. Oh, never mind. It caught it just fine. Okay, so we need a Flygon nickname. I mean, somebody might get replaced right now. This is the name that stood out the best out of all the names that I just saw when I first saw it. So, Dust Devil. Dust Devil. Whoa, 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 whoa. I did not want to get into another battle. No, 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 no. I can't escape. No, no, no. Do not do this. Do not do this. You don't want to do this. Thank you. Oh, come on. Let me run away. There was somebody calling me, but now I don't know who called. Well, I mean, Joey is the only other person that has my phone number. Okay, so we're gonna take a quick look at, Vibrava for a quick moment. It'd be a nice addition to the team. I wasn't really liking, Pachirisu anyways. His bold nature. And it's got Sonic Boom, Sand Attack, Feint Attack, and Sand Tomb. Alright, you know what? I'll think about it while I am grinding off screen. If I want to change Dust Devil for Pachirisu for Dust Devil. But I'm going to end it here. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time in the next video. Bye-bye.